everyone. Today we're going to be making crispy roast pork. Here is 6 pounds of pork belly. We have here sugar, black pepper, 5-star powder, bean curds, and then sake. So it's time to mix our ingredient.
Muỗng cà phê đường.
We have 1 teaspoon of sugar. Okay, we pouring in about half a teaspoon of 5-star powder and half a teaspoon of black pepper. And here we're adding about about 2 teaspoons, right? Just about 2 teaspoons of bean curds. Okay. And then we're adding about
2 teaspoons.
2 teaspoons of sake, and then mix them all up. Now this is to marinate the pork belly overnight. We're adding additional teaspoon of salt. Okay, so this portion we're gonna marinate for only 3 pounds. So the other 3 pounds we're gonna use another mix, the same amount of mix. Make sure that it doesn't touch the skin, the pork skin. This is to marinate the meat only. Okay, so we just marinated the first 3 pounds of pork belly. Now we're marinating the second portion. So this is another 3 pounds of pork belly. And remember, we're marinating this overnight. And make sure that the sauce does not touch the skin, the pork skin. Okay, so it's time to marinate it overnight, and we're gonna leave that in the refrigerator overnight and let the meat dry.
Đây là phần thịt mình đã ướp qua đêm. Giờ mình chở miếng thịt nha các bạn. Mình lau phần da trong tô. Sau đó các bạn dùng cái vật nhọn này nè, đâm cho cái miếng da nó lủng lỗ, miếng da thôi nha. Xung quanh hết miếng da. Đây là các nguyên liệu để mình quét lên da heo cho giòn, gồm có giấm, baking powder, muối, rượu, một chút dầu điều. Giờ mình cho một muỗng canh giấm nha. phê muối, 1 muỗng cà phê baking powder, 1 muỗng cà phê rượu, chút xíu rượu cho thơm. Cho nửa muỗng cà phê dầu điều, rồi mình quét lên phần da của thịt heo nha. Quét lên phần da thôi, đừng có thấm vô thịt. Rồi sau đó mình để tủ lạnh lại nha.
Now we're gonna roast the pork using the air fryer. So we're gonna put the pork belly skin on the bottom first. Okay, so we're gonna put the pork belly for 30 minutes at 330 degrees Fahrenheit and cooking for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes of cooking, we need to cook additional 10 minutes because the meat is still raw.
330 for 10 minutes.
After 10 additional minutes of cooking, we're going to flip it over. Okay, so we're going to put a little bit of vinegar, right?
Vinegar, the mixing, remember?
Vinegar mix onto the meat, onto the skin. And then we're gonna cook this for additional 25 minutes. Minute of the 25 minutes of cooking the skin, we're checking to see if we need to add a little bit more vinegar so the skin can pop.
Just one more layer.
So we're gonna add an additional layer of vinegar and put it back to cook for additional 15 minutes. Cooking is done. So now we want to see how it looks like.
Very crispy.
And the skin is very crispy. Wow, beautiful. Wow, look at that. That looks really delicious. So we're going to be cooking the second batch of pork meat that we marinated overnight. Okay, and make sure the skin is down, not up. Okay, now it's time to cut the pork so you can see what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. from the skin. And here's the meat.
Really moist, yeah.
Really moist.
You hear the crispy sound?
Yeah, and that looks so delicious, right? Wow. Perfect cut.
Đã chưa?
Yep. Wow. Oh my gosh. Can't wait to eat this. Very crispy skin. Okay, so this is what crispy roast pork looks like using the air fryer. What a beautiful plate. Okay, so let's test the skin out to see how crispy it is. Take a bite. Wow, look at that. Let me try one.
Delicious.
Delicious. Thank you all for watching this video. Please remember to press like and subscribe so that you can watch this kind of video.